I already know everybody's going to ask, so you can download these at the link in the description. I'm only charging
$2.
It would be $1, but you know, fees and whatnot. It's going to come with everything except for the ones with my logo. It'll be a full page, 5/16 size. Yeah, link in description. I swear, every time I hit record, I ordered these off Amazon. It comes with 20 sheets. I think it was like 10 bucks. I'll have the link to this in the description as well. I believe all this is photo paper. It feels like it, I don't know, like it'll hold ink better than just regular paper. I'll show you in just a minute. You can actually draw on it pretty easy too. Yeah, it seems like you can draw on it pretty nicely. So if you just want to, like, you know, hand draw some designs, but it does hold ink pretty well. The reason I found that out is because I'm using a laser jet printer and some of the ink or pigment kind of flakes off every now and then or doesn't print right. So like on this one right here, you can see there's a little spot where the ink didn't print or whatever. But I can just cover it up like that. It says that this paper is good for laser and inkjet. I have a feeling it would print better with inkjet, and I'm really keen to see what it's like printing color over top of this holographic. I think that would be really cool. Got this set of punches for like 10 bucks on Amazon. Link in the description. Whoops, it's the hardest part, trying to center it up. I did put a black edge around all of these to try to give a little bit of room for error whenever you're punching out. Alright, the next thing you're going to need is a board of nails. I drilled pilot holes and stuck some nails in it. That's about it. But you're going to use some not very strong glue, like I use Elmer's glue. And you're going to glue all of these onto the nail heads. And these do have adhesive backings that you can peel off, but I have trouble actually getting them back off after I've glued them on. You'll see. Holy crap, how long have I been recording? Alright, the next step is to fix any imperfections around the edges. I'd like to try inkjet because I don't know, I feel like it wouldn't be as chippy and you might not have to worry about this step. Either way, it's not that difficult. It just takes a second to go through and touch up some spots. We're going to be using some cheap Chinese UV resin, and you're going to need some sort of a UV light. I got this one from Amazon quite a while back. If I can find it, I'll put a link in the description, but you could probably find a cheap UV light for doing nails, and I think that should work about the same. I'll leave them under there for like 30 minutes just to be sure, but I think they cure pretty fast. Basically, all you want to do is put a little drop on it. Not like that. And I'll have a needle with me just in case if there's any bubbles. You usually pop them or get them out just like that. Or if you need to work the resin around to the edges. Now I'm just going to put them directly under and hit the lights. Alright, it's been probably about an hour actually. Looking good. So what I've been doing, since the backing likes to stay stuck to the glue, I'll just pop them off. See the backing stayed on. This vinyl has a thin layer of plastic covering it, so I'm just dropping them on there. This one's one of my favorites, the All-American.